Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to present to you Azsolver Technologies Point of Sale. This software is majorly for supermarkets, retail shop businesses, boutiques, and hardware. It works both online and offline. It supports different users, like many users, many accountants in the business. Take an example, you're in the supermarket, and there are many accountants. Many can manage the business on their different computers when this software is stored on one server. So how it works? When it's stored on a local computer, it can be deployed on the server and then run on a local network. That is locally, installed locally and run on a local network. So that means other client can access without internet, but on a local network. Again, it can be deployed in the cloud, whereby people can access on their devices, by either on the phone or any other device, as long as it has internet. That means when it is deployed in the cloud, it can be accessible via internet. When deployed on the local network, it can be accessible locally, even when without internet. So how it works? You log in. I'm logging in as a super user. So here I have logged in. It has brought me to the home page. So here on the home page, it will be showing you the company's name, Azsolver Tech Point of Sale. It has here different menus or different modules which can help you. It has customers. For any business, you have to register the customers, walk-in customer, anonymous customer, and even other different customers. Items, where you register the items which you're having in the business, which you are selling. Item kit, they are those ones which they sell in bulk. For example, one package having the small package in. So we have suppliers, you can register the suppliers. We have reports, you can view different reports. You have receivings. For example, if you have registered one product today and you keep receiving others, you don't need to keep registering it. But only what you do when you're receiving, you just update the quantity of the product which you have bought. And unless when the product is different, it is when you can register it as a new product. Sales, this is the point of sales. For example, if you have registered an accountant in your business, you can just give them that permission for sales only. They just see that sales on their side without seeing all this. So I'm seeing all this because I'm a point of sale admin here, as you can see, point of sale admin. So here you have gift cards, just in case during the Christmas days, Easter, and the other side, people who keep buying from you, you can give them gifts. So we have messages, just in case you're on a local network or even you're in the systems in the cloud, you want to send messages. For example, you're outside the country and you're seeing people are doing something bad in your business, you can send them messages by alerting them. This is what is happening in my business. Then we have expenses. All of us, we know in every business, there must be expenses. For example, food, electricity, water, and even salaries. We have cash up like when you have a cash draw managing such a kind. So here we have where we say office. Office, we look at how can we set up now. For example, we have installed, now we are configuring it. When you click on this, that means you are going to your office to configure the business. So the system is new. Now we come here, you have home, you have employees, you have taxes, you have attributes, you have expense categories, you have categories. That means when you are a super user or a business owner, for you are able to do what? You are able to register everything you want for your business to be with. You come, you start with configuration. By clicking on configurations, here it gives you options for putting the company name. You put here your company name. Don't look at the Azsolver Technology and say that it is even your business will have this name. No, here you can put the name of your business. Then you upload your company logo. You can substitute with this. You put your company address. This information will help you to come on the receipt when you are printing, giving a clients. You can put a website. You can give email. You can give company phone. You can give fax number, and then you put everything which you want. But they're not mandatory that you must put them. But this one, the business name is compulsory. Whenever you see the red line, the red color, it means those ones are very, very, very important. Then in general, we have where you can change the theme and so that it looks better. You have the login style. You can put the login style so that it can look better. Floating label or you put groups. You can put that. Then default sales discount. You can put that one. Default receiving discount. Default receiving discount. You can put that one. Line per page. How many lines do you want per page of this part? You put notifications, bottom or left. You can put everything like that. Login and everything can be set in that order. Tax. If at all you want to charge tax, you can also put here. Set the tax there. Localizations. You can put the localization here. You set the current symbols. You set the current code. The current code which is UGX. You put in your currency code, and you can put the currency decimal. How many decimals do you want? You can put tax decimal, quantity decimal. You put cash decimal if you want. Cash decimals if you want. You can put the cash roundup, half up. You can put payment options, this order. Cash, debit, you can even say cash, debit card, credit card. Yeah, debit card, credit card, or cash. Just the choice is yours. Just choose anything you want. Country code, UG. You can put any country code of your choice. Time zone, you put of your choice. Okay. Year start date, you put year start date there. Then the barcode, you can come here. You choose the barcode type. You can choose the code the 39, code this one, code this one. The choice is yours. Width, height, font. Font, you can even put any font of your choice which you want. You can put any font of your choice which you want. Okay. Then the font size you put here. Allow duplicate barcode if you want to duplicate the barcode. Barcode content, item name, or barcode, which anything you feel like you want, you can enable here. Input format, you can put. Okay. Number in a row, number page width, display, call collapsing, you put everything you want. Now here you are setting it up when you have deployed for your business. Stock, you can add more stock as you want. You see, this one we have one stock like this. Stock one, you can even add as many as you want, just in case the software manages your different types of businesses. This one is in this place, the other is in the other place, so you can set them like that. Receipt, you can configure a receipt here. Okay. Invoice, you can manage your invoice. Rewards, you can. Table, you can. Set up configuration, you can put the set of configuration here. Emails, you can put the emails. Messages, you can set up everything. Integrations, you can integrate even MailChimp and everything. License, you can even license like that. Okay, in that format. So after that one, you can again click back on information, or even you click back on expense categories. Categories you can add as many as you want. Here now we're setting up. For example, here we have food, we have power, we have transport. You can add even others. For example, we have salaries. You can put the salaries. What else do we have? You have something like water. Okay. Just an example of that. That's how you can add as many as you want. Attributes, you can put attributes. For example, for those different products which have different kind of categories, different kind of brands, different kind of categories. For example, sweet, you have this kind of sweet, you can put those different attributes here. Visibility, attribute type, you group them in the type you want. Then tax, you can set your tax here. Employees, you can put as employees as you want. After putting these employees, for example, if you say employees here, you have option of putting the information. You have option for putting the login details. You have option for putting the permissions. Not that every employee you get here will be seeing everything. You just give them permissions which you want them to see. So we are assuming you have set everything. We assume you have set everything. Now you come here. Let us see how does it work. First of all, we need to have items in the business. You click on items. When you click on items, these are the default one which we have, but you can add as many as you want. For example, you have beans, you have peanuts, you have maize. What else do we have? We may have what? Let me say, we may have what? Beans, peanuts, maize. Let's put something like coke. Maybe eggs, just like that. Eggs. Category. You put the category. You put the category. Food. Like that. Okay. Just put the category we are choose. The category is there. Just choose. Now you put here who is the supplier. Maybe the supplier is this one. You can guess as many as you want suppliers. Then here put bread. Then make it bread. Bread. What's the category of the bread? Kidawalime. Kidawalime as the category. Then here wholesale price. What's the wholesale price? Wholesale price 5,000. Retail price 555. Maybe this one. The category could be big. You can put something of that sort. Just describe them as how you want them to be. Then quantity stocked, quantity stocked, I will something like 100. Receiving quantity, I'll put something like receiving quantity. Anyway, I just leave that one. You put anything you want here. Then I say allow alternative description, has serial number or delete. No, just say save. Here you save. That means our Kidawalim has been added here. So this is the item we have. So here we have the ID, we have the barcode, we have the item name, we have the category, we have the company, we have the wholesale price, retail price, quantity, tax. But however, on these ones, you can come here and say, I don't want to see any other thing here. For example, I don't want to see tax. I don't want to see the avatar. Okay, that means here it will be like this here. So now I'm assuming I have put my products here. You can see the quantities which we have. So when we look at the we can see wholesale price, we can see retail price. When I look at the report, I want to view my stock now. I want to view my stock. I click on this button, stock. You see detailed report. We have here graphical report. We have summary report. We have detailed report. We have inventory report. So all these are different reports which you can look at. Graphical report, categories, customer, discount, employees, expense, items, payments, transactions, all of them. Now I want to look at the inventory which I have. I look at the inventory summary. I want to see the summary of my inventory, my business. What do I really have in my business? Okay. I choose my stock. I say all because I want to see all. If you have different stocks, you can just come and choose any one which you have here. But me, I'm choosing all because I have one. I click on submit. So in submission here, you are going to give me this report here. Inventory summary report. Here it will give me all the things I have in the business, okay, with their money. So those ones which they have sold, they will not show here, they will show what is remaining. For example, if you have registered like 2,000 breads, the Kidawalime, and we have sold 100, that means they will give you the 100, not what you have sold, but what is remaining so far. By the time you have come to evaluate your business, it's what they will be showing you. So the other money will be already out. So when I'm here, they will be showing me the item name, the barcode, the category, the quantity, the low sale quantity, the order level, stock localization. Here they will be showing you the one which sells higher and the one like that. So retail wholesale price, then subtotal. And down here, the subtotal here it will be the add up of everything. So here now they will be showing you total inventory value, total inventory value. Okay, this is the total inventory value. So low sale quantity and the total retail value. Okay, so this amount here is the amount for wholesale, like the buying price, then the selling price equal to like that. Buying price, selling price. Okay, in this format, buying price, selling price. So as you can see, this is like you can look at this one and this one. That means this one minus this will give you the what? will give you something which you should look at and say, and this is my profit and my losses. Okay, so that one is done. You can do it like that. Then here you can come and extract this one in terms of JSON, XML, CVC, text, SQL, my MS Excel, PDF. Okay, so that you can get a report out. And even you can still have any other thing if you want. Okay, so another report which you can look at, you can look at in low inventory. You look at low inventory. We don't have any low inventory so far. You can look at transactions, what you have sold that day, transactions. A detailed report, click on transactions. So when I click on transactions, I can just filter the top of the day, then I look at only completed sales, only completed sales only. I just say submit. When I look at submit, this is what it will give me. This is what they have sold on this date. Okay, this is what they have sold on this date. Okay, this is what they have sold on this date. So here you can see the subtotal. You can see the total in ceilings. You can see also the price. Then you can see the profits out of this money. Then you can see the profits which you have. So there we are done. So let us see, how do we do sales? How do we do sales? I click here on click sales here, meaning when you are a seller, an accountant on their side, you'll be only seeing this button and even what the other options I've given you. So the seller, as we said, these items here, if you have a scanner, let us first give these products the barcode. Okay, give them the barcode. We can generate the barcodes. When I select this, I select this, I select this, I select this. All of them, there are 4. Here I have to generate the barcode if I want. If they have, you can just scan, they will come here automatically. Okay. Now you can see beans have 1, Gnet has 2, and the food has 3. This one has how many? Has 4. That means already generated. This one has 1, 2, 3, like that. So when I come here on sales, I will not call the item name. I'll just put those codes. When I just put like something like 3, I press enter. So it will filter for me the 3. Okay, the 3 like is here. You can see 3. This is the item name. 3. Let us look at here. Number 3 was maize. Number 3 was maize. As you can see, it is already maize displayed here. So here I can even put so far I can put bread. By just putting mere bread here, it will display. Then it adds. That means when you have a scanner, you can scan as many as you want what client has brought on the table. Okay. Here you put the quantity. How many is he buying? He's buying 3. Here, how many is he buying? If you put the quantity here, it updates with the price. Okay. He's buying how many kilograms? Maybe 8. It updates with the what? The price. And when it updates here, even here this side displays. You can even click here to update immediately. It updates immediately, and even here the price will be included immediately. Here you can select the what? The customer name. You can put the customer name just in case it's there. But just Zoro is working customer. Those one who just come to our business and buy things which you like. Somebody may just come and pass by what he wants. So after this person having bought things, that means all this they can total up to this amount, total cash. This is the total cash which we're expecting from that customer. Now we are assuming amount tendered. Now we are assuming this is the amount. A person now has given you 50,000. Okay, what we have to do, we just put what he has given you, that we can get the change. The person has given you 50,000. What you do, just say add payment. You just put what has given in hand, cash. That is the total amount tendered. So here the system will show you that this is the amount due. This is the amount due. Okay. Then you say complete. You complete the sale. After completing a sale, this is what you get. You'll see here. This is the business details. This receipt can even be printed immediately if you have configured your printer with the machine. Okay. Now here they will be even showing you the products. We have maize, we have bread. This amount. Cash, he has given this amount. Change due. This is the change you have to give that person. Okay. This is the change you have to give that person. This is the change you have to give to that person. Okay. Now you can say sale register. daily sales. Sale register. You click on that sale register. Then you see what happens next. You come back on your my normal. So let us look from our stock. We still have our real product which we had last time, which we had put, or they are decreasing. Exactly, they are decreasing. Okay, they are decreasing. You can see they are decreasing. So what happens now? Next time we have come to add, that is receiving. Now we are receiving more bread. This time we are not registering the same product because we already have the product of the same caliber. Now what you have to do is say receive. We are receiving. Okay, we just receive. Bread is number 4. We just receive the product. In receiving, how many quantity are you receiving? How many quantity are you receiving? We are receiving. This is wholesale price. We are receiving. We have already said retail price. Now this is the buying price, which will be showing, which they are showing here. They are showing here the buying price, but the selling price we had already set them, like I said. Now we have something like 97. Let us put something like 100 again, and we see what happens. Then you say we have received 100. Okay. Now in receiving that 100, this is the amount that you expected to pay. So in paying, have you paid this cash? Reference, you can do everything. Payment cash. Have you paid this amount? How much have you paid? Yes, this is the amount you have paid. Okay. I'll come. I put this money. I say finish. You have paid that person who have supplied you. Okay. Now you have paid this person who have supplied you. Cash. Amount tendered. This amount did you change? Okay. Cut now. This is what you have to do here. When you come again on items, we need to see something bigger than that. You see, it has increased. If you don't do like that one, you can even come here where the items, you just come and say, click this button, say update inventory. In updating inventory, everything will be disabled. You just come here and say inventory, add or subtract. In here, we have 197. So what I have to do if you want to subtract, for example, I want to subtract 7, I just put minus 7. If you want to subtract, you put a minus 7, a minus, then that number which you want to subtract, and I say submit. It means here remaining with 190. If I want to add, I just come here, and I say I want to add 7. What I have to do, I just put the number which I want to add. I say 7. So you see, I put 7. Now it has come back, it's normal. So when I go back to my report, look at the report. Look at the report, then you see receivings. You have to look at the report of receivings. Now you have come as you want to see what have they been receiving, what have they bought today. Click here. Click here, then you see the receivings which they have done, who have been receiving. Quantity this, so received by, supplied by, total. This is the cash. How they have paid in cash. If you're not paid, you can just come here and edit by putting the comment that you have not paid. Put the comments there, depending. A person may bring the products today and you don't have cash to pay them. Okay, you will receive the product, you will put a comment, then you remain that you have not paid. Okay, and I showed this side here. When you come on receivings, you are receiving this item number 2. You are receiving item number 2. You are receiving item number 2. You are receiving something like 3. Okay, something like 3. Update. You can put here the comment for just in case now this time you have received but you have not paid. Received but not paid. You can even put any comment you want. Amount tendered, you can just put a 0 because that's what you have. Reference, you can put the reference you want, then you say finish. You say finish. So you have finished here, for example. Amount tendered is 0. Then, okay, that's like that. That means a person will come. If you go on report, I report. If you click on receivings, I saw here, just choose the date which you want. Received but not paid. You can see the comment received but not paid. This is the total cash. However, here you can change. this one. If you look at receivings, so here you can change. Instead of cash, you put something different, due. Okay, due. You can put in due. Okay, instead of the other one, you can just put different cash, because if you put cash, it means you have paid that one. So if you find that product which you want to add is not there, you can just say add a new item. You add it immediately there. Okay, that's how our system works. So another report which you can look at, you can even look at the, let us first look at the receivings again once more. Receivings once more. So here when we put date, you can say today, last year, blah 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 blah, like that. Choose everything you want. So this is how exactly our system works. It is very good. It is very good for your business. You don't need a lot of technology. You don't need a lot of things to understand the system. It is very simple and straight. So please subscribe or call us to deploy